after reskinning the current generation Sonata a few months ago. Hyundai has now presented the F and FF versions of their 2018 midsize sedan at the latest Chicago Auto Show. Exterior changes include revisions to the car's front and rear fascias, hood, front fenders and alloy wheel designs. New LED headlights now incorporate a dynamic bending light feature, which swivel in conjunction with steering wheel input. The sedan's driving dynamics have been upgraded with a stiffer front, anti-roll bar, recalibrated steering assist and firmer rear suspension components. As for powertrains, no changes to report. Both variants sold. The Sonata boasts 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, an electric motor, and a 6-speed automatic transmission, which produces a combined 193 horsepower in the hybrid, with a combined city-highway rating as low as 5.7 litres/100 kilometers, and 202 horsepower in the plug-in hybrid, combined city highway rating of 6.1 litres/100 kilometers, equivalent rating of 2.4/100 km and F driving range estimated at 43 kilometers. The sedan's cockpit has been revised as well, with a more modern center stack design, a heated steering wheel, available wireless charging, a new infotainment system with navigation, a 360-degree camera system and a USB port for rear seat occupants. The safety feature list has added automatic emergency braking and lane keep assist. Pricing hasn't been announced for the Canadian market yet, but their 2018 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid and Sonata Plug-in Hybrid will be on sale this spring.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.